22 Shrutis. One of the important concepts in Indian music. This concept is found in ancient and medieval Sanskrit texts such as the Natya Shastra, the Dithilam, the Brihadeshi, and the Sangeeta Ratnagara. Chandogya Upanishad speaks of the division of the octave in 22 parts. Indian music is one of the earliest to use quarter tones. Quarter tone is a pitch halfway between the usual notes of a chromatic scale or an interval about half as wide as a semitone, which itself is half a whole tone. It is the use of quarter tones and microtones that imparts a peculiar charm, color, and flavor to the music of India. 22 such notes, that is 10 notes in addition to the universal 12 notes, the gamut, have been in use for centuries. These are the foundation of the Indian scale. Theoretically, the number of Shrutis figuring in Indian music has been estimated by various scholars as 22, 24, 27, 32, 48, 53 and 96. Palkri Somanatha Kavi, Vijayanagar dynasty, 12 to 30th AD, gives the number of Shrutis as 22. Though in modern music, we use a few Shrutis in addition to 22. The number 22 represents the barest minimum of Shrutis that has been actually used in Indian music from ancient times. The progress of art and technological developments in the field of sound have led to the addition of many more Shrutis. A few of these Shrutis figure in rare ragas and live only through them. A Shruti is a note of minute pitch which a trained ear can distinguish. It is the smallest audible difference of pitch. It is a fraction of a semitone. There is no such thing as a fixed unit or constant value of Shruti. Eka Shruti interval. Three sizes: Pramana, Nyuna, and Purna. The values. The values of Shrutis can be expressed in terms of vibrations per second or as ratios to the fundamental or in cyclic sense. Of these Shrutis are in increasing order of pitch: Pramana 81 by 80, Koma of Titims 22 cents. The word Pramana meant standard in Sanskrit. Nyuna 25 by 24, 70 cents. The word Nyuna denotes small in Sanskrit. Purna 256 by 243, Pythagorean lemma, 90 cents. The Ekashruti interval of the highest pitch is Purna Shruti. Nyuna Shruti means the Shruti that is slightly less than the Purna Shruti. The octave is divided into 22 intervals of unequal